Students of class 7. Today we will read and discuss the next part of the text, bringing up curry. Okay, so here we are. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. So, next day, while the narrator was sitting in the dining room, okay, dining room, and wondering, means thinking whether whether he would take some fruit from the table or not without parents' permission. Why? Because already his parents blamed him, okay, and thought and also scolded him rather. So that's why he was thinking, the narrator was thinking whether he would take or not. Then suddenly a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared, and then disappeared. Gaib ho jana with all the bananas. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas. And I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruit. Okay, so the narrator became very much frightened because he thought it was a terrible snake. Still, he did not know that the snakes would eat bananas. Do you know snakes eat bananas? Do you know? But yes, same thing. The narrator did not know that. Okay, so he thought it must be a terrible snake, right? And that would sneak in, means came in and take fruit. I crept out the room, means I came very carefully, okay, and secretly, silently out of the room with great fear. With great fear in my heart, ran out of the house, okay, and he was very much frightened, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, and means his heart went outside the room, and he was thinking the snake must come again into the house, eat all the fruit, and kill all of us, and thought the snake must come and eat all the fruits and must kill all of them. Okay. As I went out, I saw Kari's bag disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. As I came out, I saw Kari's backside of the Kari, disappearing. Means he was going, and neither was looking at the back of the Kari, okay, and disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, so in the direction of his kind of room, okay. And I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. Means suppose you're frightened, then if some of your friends are with you, then you will become happy, okay. If they cheer you up, then you will be happy. So the narrator was so much frightened that he wanted the company of Kari to cheer him up, so that he become he becomes what? He became without any kind of fear, right? I ran after him into the pavilion. So I ran after him into the pavilion, and I found him there eating bananas. Then going there, discovered bananas. I stood still in astonishment. The narrator stood still in amazement, astonishment, surprise. The bananas were lying strewn all around him, strewn scattered all around him. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. So the bananas were just scattering here and there. Then he was standing in one place and just extending his trunk to take banana. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake. So when he was stretching his trunk, at that moment, the trunk looked like a black snake. And I realized that Kari was the thief. Kari was the main culprit. Okay, thief. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and joyously showed my parents that it was Kari and not I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. So then I pulled him out actually by the ear of Kari, and then joyously, happily showed my parents that it was Kari, not I, that had eaten all the fruit that these many weeks. Then I scolded him, rebuked him. Okay, for elephants understand words as well as children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. So then the narrator said, then scolded, rebuked, okay, chided him, as if means as well as the children, and the elephants understood words like the children. Okay, and the narrator said, warned him rather. Next time the narrator discovered him to steal fruits, then then Kari will be whipped. What is whip? Kind of long black thing made of leather, as if your bell. That is whip. In the past, the jamindars, the kings used to beat the criminals with that whip. Okay, so whipped. He knew that where that we were all angry with him, even the servants. Kari knew that the narrator, his parents, and the servants were all angry with him. Even the servants, and his pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. His pride means his prestige actually. His prestige was so much injured, hampered that after that he never stole anything from the dining room. And from then on, if anybody gave him any food, he always squealed as if to thank them. After that, if you or if anyone would give him fruits, he used to squeal. Squeal means make noise as if to thank them. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong. Willing means wishes to be punished and does nothing, right? If he has done anything wrong, but if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it. If you punish him without reason, then he will remember it and pay you back, give you back in your own coin. Means when you will be in problem, you will take that revenge, right? So that's all for today. We will continue. Okay, class. Thank you.